from mountain, eager heart runs to town. Father asked gently, my son, where will you go? He said, my father, son, and Mu won't wait. I'll go to study, learn same as the rest. Mother thinks deeply, saves her squirrel coins, sends her dear son study far in Vien's shame. 2 months passed by, a letter came from her son. He found a school, mother, father, don't worry. Grandma Mekia lives across the sky. Heard the young boy studying now in Vien's shame. They also send money, 100 or 200, to help dear mother so he can finish school. Parents work daily, no time for resting. Hands rough from labor, no one to lend hand. Hardship and burden, yet they still working, because they believe B will finish school. Relatives wonder, hope upon his success. When he finishes, he'll love mom and dad. Brothers and cousins dream for better life. Still they waiting, counting days, be home. Everything changes, dreams fade far away. B's arms and body striped like tiger marks. Bruises appearing, wakes up weak each day. He drinks and gambles liquor every night. B's hair unkempt, eyes red and dark. Old family house knows what's become. Throughout long night, news spread so fast, he no longer learns dear father's wish. Old man Young Zan lives in Vien insane. Tells Uncle Npuag be turned useless now. Father then hears it, comes to find son. Advises kindly, B won't listen still. Mother's heart broken, father's strength gone. When they heard news, B not as dreamed. Their hope now faded, faith washed away. Let it all flow with wedding tears. It's fine, they accept, wronged someone's child. Uncle Npuag brings B back home now. He then finds way, teach youth with heart. So I write this song for all to hear.